Well, hi, welcome to my channel. In this episode I'm still on the island Öland, but this time I will explore the northern part, so join me. This morning I was sitting by the shoreline looking for migrating birds flying low over the water, so let's see how that goes. So it has been quite a slow morning. A sudden heavy rainfall just disturbed all my plans, but now it seems like it's stopped raining, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, so that was a quick visit on the north end of Öland. That's the last point before the birds fly over the water again to the mainland. So they often gather in the bushes and the trees and on the fields, of course. I did see some egrets, white egrets, that's not usual in Sweden, and also some other birds, and got some photos. But now I'm heading back south again, see what we find. So today I've been driving around to different birding spots, and birding spots can be a hit or miss. Sometimes the distance is too far, and sometimes the birds are too small as well and hard to find. And did get some couple of shots though, happy with that. And I'm waiting for the sun to get a little bit lower to try to find some nice compositions before it's time to say goodbye this day. So let's see what happens. So I just witnessed an eagle attack on hundreds of geese. It didn't get one, but the geese got spooked and flew off. So didn't get any video of that, but got some shots. Hi, good morning to you. As you can see, I'm just got up out of my bed, and it's time for the second day of this traveling around to birding spots and trying to photograph. So as you might can see, there are grey skies today, and the rain is drizzling down. Half an hour ago it was pouring down, but yeah. The birds don't care, so I don't care either, so let's go out and see what we can find. So Öland has two separate ecosystems, I would call it. The north part is woody and have some forests, and the south part is flat. It has a special name, it's called Alvar. And this area is quite unique, I think. You can see it's like the moors in Scotland, or any open vast place. But it's teeming with life. You can hear the birds. Yeah, so this is the place that I'm going to spend the day, trying to see if I can find anything. I mentioned this before in an earlier video that when you're driving, as I do now, slowly along the road, you must pay attention to other traffic. This particular road is straight for several kilometers, so there's a good chance that they will see you. There are no hidden curves or spots, but still people might be doing other things in the car, like reading the news on their phone, or makeup, or drinking coffee, or shaving, or whatever. So pay attention to the traffic, and if possible stay out of the road when you're photographing. But if you have the possibility, you can actually stay and wait. If you see an area where there are birds, like I'm closing up to now, you can stay, sit still in the car, out of the traffic, and eventually the birds will come closer to you. So let's do that. I just witnessed one of those things you only see on BBC Wild Planet or similar. Two ravens chasing a rabbit on the open areas here. Since there are bedrock just underneath the grass, there's no holes, and it was caught in the open, and the ravens just took turn to attack it. So unfortunately I didn't get any pictures or video. It happens all so fast, but fortunately the rabbit got away. Maybe I spooked the ravens with my car, because this happened just beside the road. So yeah, everything ended good anyway. So, but now the wind has picked up, and the rain has also started drizzling a little bit. So I will carry on in my car and see what we can find. So let's go. So as often as I can, I try to take these back roads where there's not that much traffic and not that much people. windows tend to be there more than on the traffic road. But it takes a toll on the car. Sometimes you need to have a car that can have a high clearance, or at least more than a standard car, and narrow enough to get through the small passages that can be there. And if you get out on the back roads, you have to be good at driving in reverse when the road is blocked. So yeah, let's do that. Well, so I'm back where I started, in the south of Öland at Otterby, and these 2 days driving around trip has come to an end. If you like this video, please, and I hope you do, subscribe, like, and write a comment, and feel free to share if you want to. And well, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.